Today we're going to talk about how to choose a depilatory wax for your type of waxing. The first thing that you need to do is determine where on your body you're going to be waxing. There's a couple different types of wax that you can use. One wax is a softer wax and will require you to use a cloth fabric strip to remove the wax once you've applied it to the skin with a spatula. The other kind of wax that's available is a harder wax. We call it a hard wax, although it is soft when you apply it to the skin. It hardens and you do not need to use any kind of a fabric to remove it. It actually is removed just by peeling it right off, just as if it were a fabric strip. So the type of wax that you would use for facial hair would be the softer wax, where you would be required to use a cloth strip. If you were waxing, for instance, the bikini area, it's much more appropriate to use the hard wax because this leaves no residue on the skin. It's very good for sensitive areas. It's also very good for the underarms. You can use either one for the underarms, but if you have a person who's very sensitive, very fair-skinned, it might be more appropriate to use the hard wax for them. The legs, you can use the hard wax on the legs as well. When you have larger areas, I find the hard wax is very easy to manage because you do not need to use fabric with it. It's a simpler step. You just pull it right off and you're done. So that would be how you would choose those waxes.